Hey, what's going on, guys? Weston Boucher here. I'm going to show you a quick trick that I learned on set for modeling over the years to get rid of oily skin and that shiny look that we all hate. I don't know about you, but I have oily skin, and so it was awesome when I first learned this trick from a stylist on set. I'm about to show you what to do right now. Okay, so this is a face primer that's usually used, the people put it on their skin before applying makeup, but what it does is it's a mattifying effect. So it takes all the shine right off. So I just kind of like spread it out on these three areas of my face, forehead, and my cheeks, and then the remainder will go on my nose. You could see it immediately just like takes that reflective kind of element off of your skin. I even do it on the sides of my ears and right up into my eye sockets underneath. Does not irritate my skin at all. And as you can see, it's a really nice matte finish. And there's like no shine, no glare. Pretty amazing. I use it for my YouTube channel videos, like I said, on set for shoots. So now you can be camera ready by just having this. You can find this and all my other, all my other favorite products on my Amazon shop at amazon.com/shop/Weston Boucher. A lot of good stuff there. Go check it out, guys. You will thank me later.